It's hesitate to start. You can see here engine light on and the EPC light on. Right, let's go for a road test. Barely hit for the 20 miles and little bit shaking. Yeah, that's a problem. Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Audi A3 2008 model, 2-liter engine, basically kind of limp mode, and engine light on and ECP light on. Apart of that, I couldn't commit anything. But however, first of all, I'm plug in my computer and have a look what's the faulty code in there. Starting bit hesitating. It's take a time to the start. It's not start as it is. 08852 fuel pressure regulator valve N276 open circuit. NP2294 no signal, no communication, intermittent. And there is another faulty code 00256 mass airflow sensor G70 supply voltage P0100 no signal, no communication. Basically two problems. Right. And also I'll forget to tell you, this customer told me he changed fuel pump in tank and he suspect it could be the high pressure fuel pump. But according to the this faulty code, because I'm not worried too much for the mass airflow sensor, basically I need to attack to first fuel pressure problem. It could be wiring, it could be fuse, could be relay, or could be something else. Very difficult to say. But however, if you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon. You can get lot of useful video. Also, if you like to join with us our WhatsApp group, Facebook group, I will add the link below. You can click that link and you can join with us and you can ask many questions in there. Whatever your problem, you can share your experience and more mechanic also there. Okay, let's jump to the job. First of all, I'm going to open the bonnet and visually have a look what's going on there and what happened. But at the moment, I'm not think vehicle has a cancer, just tiny tummy ache. That's why we had to start, because the sometime call other garages, they said starting from the cancer, but sometime while they attend to the job, it's tummy ache. But however, they already told to the customer price for the cancer. So I'm not thinking this vehicle has a cancer because of that. Right. Okay, open the engine bay. Right. I think he already removed the air box. He removed bits and bits. He might be done some works. All bit and bits I saw it's here. See, yeah, it's inside the passenger floor. Anyway, it's not a problem, right? Okay, quick look before I check any fusing, before I check any relays. Just visually inspect what's going on here. I can see some thingy build up here. You can see some build up, maybe look like some battery acid leaking, and Here also, well, something developing acid. See, yeah. Anyway, wiggle the wires. No, I can't see even the top of the starter motor. You can see the white color stuff. Yeah, see, yeah, could be something leak somewhere, but at the moment I can't see visually any damaging. Right, I think I found something here. You can see this sensor top of the fuel railing, something not right. It's crack. I don't know it's causing any problem or not. I'm not 100% sure, but visually I can see something not right here. Okay, no need to too much hurry, no need to panic, take your own time, still observation what's going on and what happened. Right, next step, I'm going to check the oil level. Yeah, oil level halfway down is not a problem. I feeling too much petrol inside the oil system, too much smell. Right, we'll start from there then. Right, wires okay. We, yeah, next step, I will, I have a spare one, I will try that one and we'll see how it's going on. First of all, when you work with the fuel system, make sure release the pressure from here. This nozzle you can release, take out the cap. After that, there is a pressure valve inside, need to press that one. You can see inside there is a valve, like it's like the tire valve. We need to press that one and release the pressure before we work on a fuel system. Some people remove from here and leave it for the escape for the pressure, but however best practice, try to release the pressure from this valve. Then after that, no pressure in the system, then you find. I don't know, might be, I don't know why. No pressure there. Right, next step, I need a 32 mil spanner and very gently remove. When you work with long spanner, careful this battery cover, because if it hit, this is negative, this is positive. What happened? Negative and positive. You know, if you want, you can try that cover in this one. Yeah, I forget to tell you, this side negative and that side positive, again this side fuel. What happened? Negative, positive, fuel. Anyway, safety first, always. Yeah, see, just fuel came out. Right. Okay. Now, if you want, you can try positive, negative petrol. Yeah, however, I will try to open this sensor. I am not thinking this broken bits doing anything because it's holding the two connectors here. Yeah, anyway, I have a spare one. I'll install the spare one. Just do the hand tight. At the moment this one little bit out of alignment, but I'll make it straight later. And also this cap didn't do anything, then I'll install as it is. Right. Okay, the faulty code, try to cleared. Yeah, cleared, completed. Continue, check any faulty code left there. Still air mass flow sensor. Right, could be air mass flow sensor in right. Yeah, we know what's the problem for the air mass flow, because sensor inbuilt here we disconnected, right? Not we, basically the customer came as it is, right? Okay, I'm going to install this cover. No, actually I'm not installing this cover, because if it fuel leak I can't see, because the that fuel pressure regulator and the fuel railing underneath should be yeah, no, should be okay, should be okay, but I need to leave it as it is, because the this sensor on the way, you can see it's slightly out of alignment. We had to change the position and start, but however at the moment I'll leave it as it is. Just connect this side, right, and connect here. Yeah, now let's delete this faulty code, because I reconnect the sensor connector. Yeah, it's completed. Continue. Right, at the moment no any other faulty codes. I'm ignition off and start the car. Boom, on it, start the car. No any fault codes. And the same time, before I do anything, I'll just check the engine bay, any leaking from the thingy. Yeah, nice and dry, but however I want to make it straight, this one for the this side. I'll do that one and I'll reconnect everything. After that I'm going to do the road test and come back to you. At the moment we left it running 15 minutes, no any funny warning light, and engine raving also very well. It's like a steady raving. I don't feeling any hiccups there. Yeah, and the next step I'll take to the road test and have a look what's going on and what happened. Yeah, at the moment I feeling we are success, but if someone asks what's the reason for the this problem, I'll let you know. We found the cause for the break in this. Basically underneath here, 1 2 3 4, basically 4 rubber bands there, basically it's missing. What happened when you go service, so whatever people install to here, underneath there is a bracket, you can see no bit difficult to see, but however underneath the bracket for the sit on this one, what happened, now you can see this one we left it little bit loose because that rubber band not there. What happened when you go? People bang, 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 right? Put it here, just bang. After that, what happened? It's knocked because if this one go too long, this one knock here, and it will break like this. That's why the happen. I'm assuming because I'm also facing the same problem. Because of that, I'll lift it little bit upper. So I'll ask customer to install 4 new rubbers. Then after that, it won't be any problem. When they get old, sometimes ache from the back, ache from the here. That's why 2008. No, right. Anyway, I'm going to the road test and come back to you. Right, trip mileage now 0. I will complete another 2-3 miles and come back to you and show you what's happened and what's going on there. Basically, I took it out the car. Then I can hear some winding noise underneath. I'll put my mic there. Yeah, I feel. However, that installed pump making some funny noise. I don't know why. I don't know they install brand new pump or reconditioned pump or I don't have any idea. But customer confirm he installed the in tank pump. But whatever pump there, it's not something right because it's making like a winding noise. So at the moment, I don't know what's going on here because my main concern for the front. We'll see what's going on for the here. Then the after the what do you call road test, I'll come back to you. Now I feel vehicle has a full power, no any hesitate. Yeah, that's a good sign. I'll draw 2.5 miles and hit the 50-60 miles without any problem. No any problem. You can see here we done 2.5 miles. Also no any funny codes there. But however, I'm going to check with the computer. Right. Fuel rail system pressure too low. P0087. Lower the reach limit. Fuel rail system pressure too low. Yeah, both not published signal. Both for the same faulty codes. I feeling, yeah, because this the faulty code look like to me something in tank. Before it say 08852 fuel pressure regulator valve P2294. Now this problem changed to the 00135 fuel rail system pressure too low P0087. We'll see what's the creating 0087. Yeah, P0087 Audi 2 liter. Search. Right, you can see pressure too low. Right, you know the what's the problem. Basically what happened, customer confirming he installed the new pump. Basically I feeling he didn't install the new pump because that's why when I took it to the road test I hear some buzzing noise here, like the winding noise. It's not something right for that pump. Could be I had to ask him repeat the job because this fuel pump not right or sometimes signal not right or something might be he not done it properly. I don't know exactly the problem, but however now it's trigger up the another fault. But it's not trigger up, basically it's not in the system, like the not in the dashboard, no engine light on, nothing. But one day it will trigger up the faulty code for the this one. But however, whatever I done the job, 100% success. That's the problem, because I feeling this thing happened, someone pushed that cover, that's why it's happened. Anyway, if we come back again, I'll let you know more update. At the moment I am stopped from there. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you. So see you in the next video.